Alright, let's go.
Deep in the mountains, isolated from civilization, hidden in dark forests, today's creatures are living. While walking through the forest, the skibob comes across a strange place, with lots of tombstones, and a skeleton banging his shield.
What the
And it's
hell?
today's creature. With a loud banging sound, today's fried chicken is complete. It's time to wake other members. No one is responding. A stronger alarm is needed. The sound awakens them. The skeleton's
It was made
hearing
by
has
AI,
greatly
wasn't it?
deteriorated due to spending a long period underground. It's like a human wearing thick earplugs.
Chicken SARS,
Just
really?
speaking louder is unlikely to work. Therefore, the skeletons use shields and yelling as a means of communication. To skeletons, banging their shields and shouting loudly isn't just noise. It's a sign of attractiveness, especially during mating season. Mating season is when the graveyard area becomes lively. For real. Today, for skeleton warriors, compete to win the heart of a single female. His voice was deep, but it lacked power. His voice is powerful, but it is high-pitched. His screaming is way too much. The fourth
Speed
skeleton
reference there it
has been
is.
selected by the female. The rest will have to switch their voice next time. As time passes, the morning of another new year dawns. In the underground, undead habitat, a new life has been born. The name given to the child is Sans.
What the
Father
fuck?
roars, unable to contain his joy, even though nobody cares.
Sounds like bull.
Wait, that's it? That was wild, dude. That is wild AF.